Feeling like life's got you by the bricks? I've been there. And Lego turned out to be one of the most effective stress relief tools I've ever used. I've built a Lego stress relief routine that helps me calm down, lower anxiety, and reset focus. It's hands-on, backed by science, and easy to do at home. So if you're dealing with burnout or daily stress, let me show you how Lego can really help. Okay, so first of all, why Lego? Why not yoga or journaling or going off to live in a van? Well, here's the thing. Lego taps into something super basic and really comforting. It gives your hands something to do, your brain something to focus on, and your stress somewhere else to go. But what makes it stick is interest. When you build something that actually excites you, like a Harry Potter set, a Simpsons build, a cool vintage truck, or heck, even a Lego bouquet, it pulls you into that world. It's like your brain takes a break from the noise. The good news is Lego's got sets for every obsession. If you're into it, Lego probably made it. And that's what makes it so good for stress. Alright, let's say you want to try this. You don't need a fancy studio or a stack of unopened sets taller than your fridge. What you really need is a calm space, somewhere that feels like yours. Maybe it's the kitchen table. Maybe it's a corner of your desk. Just not the place where you pay bills or argue with your internet provider. Clear it off. Light a candle if that's your thing. Put on a playlist, something instrumental, or just background noise that doesn't demand your attention. It's important to pick a time when your brain isn't running on fumes. Don't do this when you're wiped out. Mornings are great. After lunch? Perfect. But that late night I should be in bed. But maybe building Lego will fix my entire life moment? Yeah, maybe not ideal. Now, what to build? Alright, so if you're sitting there wondering what to build first, let me throw a few easy picks your way. All from the latest Lego releases. Start with the Lego Red Bonsai tree. It's part of the Botanical line. This one's so calming it almost builds itself. You're just placing petal after petal, branch after branch. No rush, no stress. It's one of those sets that feels like meditation by accident. Now, if you're more into fun and food and maybe grew up with a bit of cartoon chaos, the new Lego Crusty burger set is perfect. It's goofy, it's bright, and you'll probably smile the whole time you're building it. That kind of joy? Way better than doomscrolling. If you're looking for something smaller that still feels special, the new Lego Minifigure vending machine is a great pick. It's compact, clever, and oddly satisfying, and you can swap out the capsules with whatever little things bring you joy. Select a set that feels like you, whether it's relaxing, nostalgic, or just a little weird. Lego's got enough variety that you're bound to find something that fits right for you. If you're enjoying this guide, please hit that like button. No rage required. And I've dropped some links in the description below to make your Lego find a bit easier. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Thanks for your support. Here's something that really helped me, and it's more powerful than it sounds. Step 1. Follow the instructions. I know, that might seem basic, but when you're stressed, your brain's already juggling too much. So just following what the little booklet says, that's a win. No decisions, no second guessing, just the next step. It gives your mind a break and your hands something steady to do. That quiet structure, it's exactly what makes this so calming. Some people prefer building without instructions, and that's valid too. Free building takes a different kind of focus, and it can be just as soothing to create something from scratch. If you're on a tight budget, don't worry. You don't need anything fancy. Just grab a Lego Classic brick box set or even your kid's Lego bin. Yep, the one with bite marks and wheels that don't match. The point isn't perfection. It's giving your brain a break using what you've already got. The real trick here is to find what works for you. We're not all built alike. This isn't a competition. You're not here to impress anyone. You're here to build a little piece, whatever that looks like for you. Here's something a lot of people skip, but it's important to set a time limit. Start with 30-minute sessions. You're not speedrunning a Lego marathon here. You're just giving your mind a break, and that works best when there's a start and a stop. Why? Because pushing yourself too long, especially when you're tired, can flip this whole experience on its head. Instead of feeling better, you can get frustrated, overwhelmed, and end up more stressed than before. That's the opposite of what we want. If you hit a wall, stop. Feeling stuck or annoyed, That's your brain telling you to take a break. Get up, walk away, stretch, reset. This isn't school and there's no deadline. You can always come back later with fresh eyes. Also, make it cozy. Seriously, grab your favorite drink. Tea, coffee, hot chocolate, soda, whatever feels comforting. Little rituals like that help make this time feel safe and calming. It's not about the bricks, it's about the feeling. Bottom line, Lego building for stress relief isn't about finishing fast or doing it right. It's about giving yourself a moment of peace on your terms. Now you might be wondering, why Lego and not just puzzles, or one of those fidget toys everyone's talking about? Here's the thing. Puzzles are fine, but they're usually two-dimensional. One image, one solution. And once you hit that stage where you're hunting for edge pieces for 45 minutes, it's not always relaxing. Fidgets, they're great on the go, handy in a waiting room or when you're zoning out on a call. They can help with anxiety and sensory grounding, but they don't always leave you with a sense of progress or accomplishment. You're just sort of fiddling. Lego's different, it's hands-on, yes, but it also gives you structure and creativity. You can follow a guide or build something totally your own. It can become a routine, something you actually look forward to. And the best part, there's something to show for it at the end. Something that says, hey, I made that. If fidgets work for you while you're out, keep using them. But for real decompression, give yourself actual Lego time. A quiet space, a warm drink, your favorite playlist, just peace. That's where Lego wins. So that's all for now. Leave me a comment. Tell me what's worked for you, or drop a suggestion that might help someone else. Stay tuned to the channel for more by subscribing right here, and please hit that like button. Your support's always appreciated. And don't forget to check the description below for links to the sets I mentioned. Until next time, take care. And remember, life's better with Lego.